When practicing Abhyanga, we begin by slowing everything down. Slow, rhythmic strokes with light to medium pressure invite the body to soften and settle. Use plenty of warm oil. Our favorite is sesame oil for its deeply nourishing, grounding, and Vata balancing qualities. As your hands move, allow the rhythm itself to do the work. This steady, repetitive motion sends a clear message to the nervous system that it is safe to relax, safe to receive, and safe to rest. Around the low back, hips, and pelvis, we work with extra gentleness and care. These areas hold so much, physically, energetically, and emotionally, especially during the postpartum period. Here, your touch becomes slower, more intentional, and deeply supportive rather than corrective. Let each stroke be a quiet offering, supporting circulation, warmth, and stability through these foundational parts of the body. This rhythmic sequence helps to ground and balance any sense of unsteadiness or change, bringing the body back to feeling a sense of wholeness and connection.